Alright, so I went to the mechanic, and he looked at the car, he drove it around. He said, your manifold exhaust is bad on the left side. And he told me what to do. So, since I've done this already once before, I went ahead and ordered a new one on Amazon. This one was about $167 before any taxes or anything. There's some weight to it. You get two. And separately, I ordered these bolts, the stud kit. The stud kit. This was about, I think it was like 15 to 18 bucks. I don't remember exactly, but it wasn't much. Read really good reviews about it. That goes with this. So set an appointment with the mechanic and we'll go from there, and I'll let you guys know soon. Alright guys, I had a ticking noise in my truck, F150 2009. Truck has about 120,000 miles. Couldn't figure out what it was. Went to Ford, they diagnosed it. They ended up fixing it. It was the manifold exhaust. So, I don't know if I'm gonna have to check with the video later, but it sounds a lot better. No ticking. So I'm super happy that's gone.